Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're not familiar with me, my name is Jess and I create beauty, lifestyle, and mental health content. So today we are reviewing the ABH x Jackie Aina palette, and I just want to say I'm so proud of you, Jackie. I've been following Jackie since 2014, and I just want to say keep your foot on these hoes' necks, okay, period. You feel me? So we're reviewing everything involving packaging, pigmentation, how the shadows blend, as well as fallout. And I just want to add that I do simple glam looks. I can't do the real intricate, real creative looks. Hopefully I get there one day, but I'm not there yet. So we're doing like simple, soft glam. So I hope you guys enjoy. All right, guys, I have the palette right here and I'm like so excited to try it out. On this channel we don't do our foundation before our eyeshadow. So off camera I'm just going to finish the rest of my face, but on camera I'm going to be using the ABH x Jackie Aina palette. I'm not really sure what look I'm going for, but I want to use as many colors in the palette as possible. All right, so let's see what we have in here. Beautiful, beautiful. So we're starting off by showing the packaging. So the palette came in this box right here. It's so freaking cool. It's like, what you say, holographic type ordeal. The packaging is beautiful. Miss Jackie Aina name is on the back. I just love the packaging and the actual palette. Honey, let's get into it, okay? The palette came with this brush right here. I'm actually going to use it in this makeup tutorial today. Maybe, maybe not, most likely. This is the palette. I love the packaging a lot. So it comes with a mirror and it comes with 14 different shades with very, very unique and so Jackie Aina names for the eyeshadows. I love it, I love it, I love it. So let's get into these eyeshadows. So we're gonna use this. So the first shadow that we are going to use is Ginger. I'm just gonna put that in my crease. We're gonna use that as our transition shade. Oh, okay. Whoa, it's very pigmented, as you can see coming up on camera. I love that because most like brown shades you have to like keep going into the palette to pick up the shade because it's so hard to get it to like show up, but honey, this is present. Now I want to, ooh, I think I just picked up some of the other shade sponsored. I'm gonna just blend that in. I want to kind of do a eyeshadow look that I'm not used to, you know, because we got the Jackie Aina palette. We got to do something different. So I'm not used to being really bold with colors, with eyeshadow colors, but hey, we're going to do it today. We're going to try it out. I'm trying to figure out if I want to go in with dollars, or what Zam. I'm trying to figure out dollars or Zam or Lithiation. Lithiation is popping. Ooh, I don't know. It's so many options, but I always do like gold. I'm trying to think. This is popping, Jackie. I am like pumped right now. Oh my god. I really don't know what I want to do, but I can make so many looks out of this palette. Damn, it's pumping. Ooh. I really don't know, guys. Like, I'm so torn. All right, so while I'm trying to decide which popping color I'm going to use, I'm just going to take edges and kind of put that in my crease a little bit. But do y'all see that glow? That glow right there? Period. Flawless. I mean, not flawless, but, you know, cute still. I miss doing like makeup tutorials low-key because I love makeup. I don't know, I just got stuck with like doing vlogs for a long time because it was like comfortable to me, or maybe just like easier because it was like you guys like really coming along in my real day-to-day life, and this is kind of more like all me. So it's just like me having to talk to you guys and just be myself on camera, and I'm not all the way there yet. So I guess that's why I stopped like doing makeup tutorials for a little bit. But I'm gonna eventually get there where I'm like fully comfortable. I can fully be myself on camera and stuff like that. But as for right now, you know, I'm still trying to get into it and get used to it, but take it one step at a time. All right, so I put edges in my crease. So I'm gonna take Zam and put that on my lid. Y'all ready for this? Because I'm ready. Let's see. Oh! You guys, look at that pigment. I'm like really into this. You know what? I think I want to be extra. I feel like this eye looks better than this eye. Do you guys like experience that? Like you're doing your makeup and just one eye comes out better than the other as far as like eyeshadow or eyeliner? Like that always happens to me. It's like the most annoying thing ever. But this eye is popping. I don't know what happened here, but we're gonna keep going. So I want to try something. I feel like I'm gonna pronounce this wrong, but I'm gonna take Solel. Jackie, I hope you don't see this because you're gonna be disappointed in me, but I'm gonna take that shade and put it a little bit bright on my lid. All right, so the last thing I'm going to do is the last thing I'm going to do is take credit and put it in the outer corner of my eye. Oh. I didn't expect that to be that pigmented. I did not expect that to be that pigmented. I picked up too much. I can fix it. All right, I'm gonna fix this and we're gonna come back. All right guys, my eyes are finished and now I'm going to do a small eyeliner. So I'm going to do this off camera because it just takes me too long to do it on camera. So we're going to do this off camera. So now I'm going to take my Ardell Double Up 113 lashes and put them on my eyes, and then I'll come back. All right guys, I'm done with my eyes. Also, I put trust issues in my tear duct, and now I'm just gonna finish the rest of my face off camera. So see you guys in a little bit. All right guys, this is the final look, and I have to say this palette is popping, okay? So make sure you guys go get the palette and support Jackie because this palette is fire. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Before you leave, before you hit that exit out button, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Catch you guys next time.